Okay, lastly here, let's talk about a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So let's draw that. And remember, 45, 45, 90, we called that one and that one because they had to be equal. And this turned out to be root 2. So I could say the sine of 45 is 1 over root 2. The cosine of 45 would be 1 over root 2. And the tangent of 45 would just be 1. Remember, this right here is the same thing as root 2 over 2. This right here is the same thing as root 2 over 2, just like the root 3, or 1 over root 3. Okay, so if I take that and I think about it on a circle where this radius this time is 1, and this is 45, I now have to think about this as my parent triangle, 45, this was 1, 1, root 2. The triangle that I have up there, I've changed where the 1 goes. That's 45. That's 1. This is my x distance. That's my y distance. I can use the special right triangles to do that. Let me come back up here to the top. I would say root 2 is to 1. So root 2 is to 1 as 1 is to y. So I get root 2 y is 1, or y is 1 over root 2. You should have noticed that as a number that we got before. And I can do the same thing. Once I know that y is 1 over root 2, I also know that x is 1 over root 2. But notice, there's my cosine, there's my sine.